It's gonna be 2 months, but I can't find a job. What are you guys doing? अब इस साल यूके में 3 महीने से हूँ, जॉब नहीं है. The most funniest one was अमीर बाप के बच्चे और कुछ नहीं है. Like, you know, that's what people were saying.
Hi, I'm Ashish.
Vansh Patel.
My name is Matthew.
Dhairya.
Don't misguide the people. It's very difficult to get job in UK. Moreover, permanent residency not possible. So don't misguide. You are misguiding everybody.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, जैसे लोग अब उस वीडियो में हमने भी देखा ऐसे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, बट इट्स नो पॉइंट ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन द कमेंट्स ना.
Every student that is coming here after watching our interview, I'll say please do your research.
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सपने खत्म हो जाते हैं, है ना.
Right.
लंदन नहीं कोई और सही.
Right.
नहीं तो वापस घर जाओ, क्योंकि तुम ये मत भूलो तुम किस लिए आए हो यार.
Right.
4 पैसे ज्यादा कमाने के चक्कर में तुम अपनी
बिल्कुल.
पढ़ाई नहीं बर्बाद कर सकते. तुम्हारा ज्यादा पैसा उस पर लगा है.
बिल्कुल.
Stress is there.
It's always there,
how you
hanging on
defend
your
it.
head.
Of course,
Like a sword on a
Depends
wall.
Looking to study abroad, then watch this full video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
Hello everyone, I'm Piyush, your study abroad coach, and we are here on Study Abroad with Piyush to have a great interaction with our friends here in London. We are randomly in a street here. We just got them and caught them here to share their story and understand what they have been up to while they have been studying in London. So guys, can you introduce yourself once?
Hi guys, I'm Vansh Patel. I'm from Vadodara, Gujarat. I'm right now studying Masters in Accounting and Finance from University of Greenwich.
Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm from Bombay and I'm currently studying Masters in Accounting and Finance.
Hi, I'm Dhairya. I'm also from Bombay and I'm also studying Masters in Accounting and Finance from University of Greenwich.
Hi, I'm Ashish. I'm from Delhi, and we all are classmates. So
We are all classmates. So everyone here, all these guys, repeat
Sweet and
kariye.
simple, yeah.
Yeah, simple. They're all studying accounting and finance at University of Greenwich, and they're almost about to finish. And why this group is so special? Because if all of you have been watching us before, our most popular video was with these 3 folks, these 3 gentlemen, Matthew, Dhairya, and Ashish, and we are here to celebrate today of what all knowledge they have said. And there's a lot of craziness that is going on below that video. The link is in the description. You should go watch it. These guys were like fresh in London. They're just a month here, and they were beaming with confidence. They were beaming with like and now,
we are still beaming with
so what
confidence.
we are here because people were complaining, and I'll show you all the messages, guys. You know, there's a lot of craziness that was going on the videos. It's gonna be 2 months, but I can't find a job. What are you guys doing? अब इस साल यूके में 3 महीने से हूँ, जॉब नहीं है. And the most funniest one was अमीर बाप के बच्चे और कुछ नहीं है. Like, you know, that's what people were saying. But there were people who were loving it too. You know, वाह भाई आपकी वीडियो देखकर पता चला कि कैसे अनजान लोगों में घुल मिल सकते हैं. Like positive video. You learn how to how to meet people. More people. Don't misguide the people. It's very difficult to get job in UK. Moreover, permanent residency not possible. So don't misguide. You are misguiding everybody. So that was I was not saying anything. I was only asking questions, guys. So
I'm just saying.
Yeah. So at that situation, जो भी हमारे साथ हो रहा था, वो हमने एक्सप्लेन किया. हमने
Yeah.
कभी ये प्रॉमिस नहीं किया कि आपको स्पॉन्सरशिप मिलेगी या पीआर मिलेगा, ऐसा कुछ, क्योंकि हमें रियलिटी पता ही
जॉब
नहीं
भी
है.
प्रॉमिस नहीं की थी किसी को.
Of course, क्योंकि
हमको ढूंढ रहे थे.
हाँ, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि हमने ऐसा बोला कि तुम आ जाओ सब कुछ मिल जाएगा.
Right.
Obviously, हमने कभी ये बोला ही नहीं पीआर इजीली मिल रहा है, स्पॉन्सरशिप, क्योंकि उस स्टेज तक हम पहुंचे
ही नहीं थे. But there were people who really enjoyed, who got the inspiration. They said, this video feels like a breath of fresh air.
Wow.
In the current scenario where every other YouTuber is scaring the shit out of you by making all these negative videos about UK. Thanks for inspiring people like me who are planning to go this year. Because a lot of students were actually planning to go right after they had already secured their visas and they wanted some motivation, some inspiration.
Of course.
So guys, we spoke about a lot of things. We just bumped into each other and this turned out to be a good friendship out of impulsive decision of CJ, who asked me to, you know, just go and talk to random people. And I think I'm an introvert, but I tried to come out of that skin. And I think it was a fantastic conversation. It went well, and I think a lot of people have learned from your experience. The important thing is what you felt 9 months ago. Today we are here to bring a check, make us accountable for what we are putting out there. To understand from Dhairya, Matthew, Ashish, what they said before. Are they sticking to their opinion? Are there any changes? And if yes, what do they believe is the updated information? So guys, in 9 months, what has been your learning? You said one thing which went really positive and went really viral, was that you are unable to find part-time jobs.
Yeah.
Because everyone wants to give you full-time jobs.
You know.
That sentence was an eye-opener for so many. So first tell us about Did you find any part-time jobs?
I'll start with this.
Yeah.
So 2 months ago, I was really in the mud. I was not getting any job. I was just asking him, everyone like, please help me and everything. Right now I have 4.
Okay. So guys, धैर्य देखो, धैर्य रखो. And you know,
Yeah,
so he's the man.
I'm just saying नहीं expected था. To be honest, घर से भी बहुत pressure था कि rent भरना. Last video में तो पता चल गया था.
He was living in the most expensive apartment.
Yeah, I don't know why it was that expensive, but yeah, still.
Because he's from Mumbai, he's used to paying higher rent.
Yeah. And smaller places. Yeah, so that was I was doing. बहुत time तक काफी depressing सा था because job नहीं मिल रहा था. I had no idea what I'm supposed to do. I'm doing everything. I'm walking with my CV 20 kilometers every single day. कहीं तो मिलेगा. Asking all the friends जो already part time में काम कर रहे हैं. I'm asking everyone, please कुछ हो तो मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ CV लेके. Nothing. And then one random day when my family told me कि देख तू बहुत stress ले रहा है. We'll try to arrange the funds. तो एकदम ऐसे खत्म मत हो जा पूरा यही सब चीज में. Because for 2 weeks it was nothing, just walking around everywhere, whole London with CV, applying to 200 places every single day. And then फिर जिस दिन जब घर वालों ने बोला ना कि तू ठीक है, तू 1-2 हफ्ता रेस्ट कर, बहुत ज़रूरत है देखो, क्योंकि जब भी वीडियो कॉल होता था तो दिख रहा था कि हाँ मैं हूँ स्ट्रेस में, हो चुका हूँ पतला. एंड देन दे आर लाइक तू छोड़ दे, 2 हफ्ता रेस्ट ले. एंड वही दिन I got the first job. And then one of my friends told me about something, I got the other. And then another friend told me about something, I got the other. And now I'm just looking for a fourth one. So it's going good.
What kind of part-time jobs these are?
One of them is at an off license. So it's more or less standing at the till. One of them is where I'm coming from today. It's a proper office administration job. Back of the house, on a computer, talking to customers, making quotes, making sure the accounts is proper, making sure the payments are done properly.
So that is actually in sync with what you are studying?
Yeah, that is actually in sync with what I'm studying. The third one is an events company. So whenever I'm not having a job, like at the moment, I'm not doing the office administration, I'm not doing the off license. So I can apply to events. So they have weekly events and I can apply there. And then if they have...
So you can fill in your empty hours with that.
So like whenever I have empty hours on my hand, I can just go there. Other one is actually really nice. It's still in process. I have my DBS check and everything remaining. But I've gotten the job, I've gotten the offer letter and everything. So it's from a college, New City College London. They're helping the disabled community. I'll be a part of it. To be honest, it's really nice. It's also good money.
Yes.
But it's really nice. So I thought, why not?
Right.
Yeah.
So what you're trying to do is trying to put various kinds of experiences also on your resume?
To be honest, I just want to make sure that if I lose one thing, I still have other. Yeah, right. So at this point, if I lose one thing, I have 2 more, 3 more. I have to make sure. So to be honest, I don't want to stop right now because I want to make sure that I am never in the place I was 2 months ago.
Right.
Because that was actually very terrible. That was the point where even I thought that London is just a dirt, man. Right. I should just go back. Bombay was way better. But to be honest, now I think I have money. I can go out with my friends. Whenever I feel I'm bored, I can go out.
Right.
Whenever I don't have food, I can just go out and buy something. There was a point where I just didn't feel like spending any money, and I'll just go hungry today, man. I don't want to spend money again. I don't have a job right now. So I would say, yeah, it's going good, right? But yeah.
We're very happy to hear that. I think it's that's what I was saying to you as well. After reading all those comments, I was scared of meeting you guys again, feeling that maybe I would hear something more unfortunate. But it's so fantastic to hear that you're doing well. You have 4 part-time jobs now, and I'll come to the full-time job search and how you're planning. Ashish, tell me, did you try to do any part-time? And
but at the time of interview, I was doing a part-time job in the event company. So the problem with the event company is there is a period when all the events, they
are happening. So there's a time when a lot of events are happening.
Yeah, during December, it's really quiet in London. There won't be any events. So at that point of time,
because it's so cold and
तो कोई इवेंट होता ही नहीं है.
Right.
तो वो एक पीरियड ऐसा था कि वो फ्रीज हो जाता है 1-2 महीने के लिए. तो उस टाइम कोई पार्ट टाइम वो आवर्स नहीं मिल रहे थे मुझे. तो वो था ऐसा टाइम था जिसमें हमारा टर्म ब्रेक था. सो वी कैन वर्क फुल टाइम. सो वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि फुल टाइम मिलेगा एंड वी कैन सेव मोर मनी.
राइट.
बट उस टाइम पे इवेंट्स बंद हो गए तो हमें नहीं मिला कुछ भी वहाँ पे कुछ भी. तो उस टाइम देयर वाज अ स्ट्रगलिंग पीरियड क्योंकि पूरे दिन घर बैठ के हम सिर्फ अप्लाई कर रहे हैं एंड देन एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा था कि हम अपने फील्ड में जाके हमें पता लग गया था कि फुल टाइम की वजह से कि हमें नहीं मिल पाएगा पार्ट टाइम.
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि यार एक बार सेट हो गए तो मतलब सेट हो गए, मतलब you have to be on the lookout for every time and
you have to keep trying. You have to keep trying and then ऐसे ही मैंने भी बहुत CVs डाले हैं, हर जगह डाला, जहाँ हो सकता था वहाँ डाला. ऐसा हो गया था कि मुझे जब कॉल्स आ रहे हैं मुझे याद ही नहीं मैंने किसके लिए डाला हुआ है. सो ऐसे ही मुझे एक कॉल आया, स्कोप्स करके एक सूट स्टोर है यहाँ पे, ब्रिटिश ब्रांड है, तो सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव का डाला था मैंने. तो वहाँ से जब फ़ोन आया तो मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि क्या है, तो मैंने 2 बार
मैंने कोई सूट ऑर्डर नहीं करा भाई।
ये क्या है?
अरे तेरे को खरीदना नहीं, बेचने का
आई
है।
वाज लाइक या आई एम इंटरेस्टेड बट हु आर यू?
I like जॉब है, आई एम वेरी इंटरेस्टेड, पैसा
तो फिर उन्होंने तो फिर मैंने बोला कि प्लीज डोंट माइंड, इट्स जस्ट दैट आई एम इन अकाउंट्स फील्ड, सो आई हैव अप्लाइड सो मेनी जॉब्स, सो कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन व्हाट द जॉब इज? तो उन्होंने बताया एज अ सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव है। अब यहाँ पर क्या होता है ना कि थोड़ी चालाकी करनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि शायद मैं दिल्ली से, मेरा थोड़ा दिमाग थोड़ा खुराफाती चलता है। तो क्या हुआ कि मेरे डैड का वहाँ पे बिजनेस है दिल्ली में, तो वी हैव अ केरला स्टोर देयर। सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज, मैंने जितना भी ट्राई किया, मुझे जब कुछ चीज़ें नहीं मिल रही थी तो मैंने क्या किया, अपने सीवी में, जो मैंने डैड के साथ बचपन से ही मैं डैड के साथ बड़ा वो स्टोर पे, तो मैंने नहीं मतलब स्टोर पे, सबके पास स्टोर नहीं होता ना। तो मैंने क्या किया, जो मेरा 13-14 ईयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस था, क्योंकि मैं उस बिजनेस में इन्वॉल्व था, चीज़ें देखता था, प्रोक्योरमेंट हो गया और जो भी चीज़ें हैं, कस्टमर डीलिंग, ये सब चीज़ें, तो मैंने अपने सीवी में ChatGPT यूज़ किया, उसको समझाया कि भाई ऐसा ऐसा मैंने किया हुआ है, सो विल दैट हेल्प? तो ChatGPT बोला यस ऑफ कोर्स, क्यों नहीं? तो वो मैंने अपना सीवी में अच्छे से टेलर किया, एंड देन वन डे आई स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग फॉर द जॉब फॉर द सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव। ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही मुझे यहाँ से मेरा सीवी शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ, क्योंकि 14 ईयर्स इज अ वेरी बिग, है ना, वेरी बिग एक्सपीरियंस। तो ऐसा मुझे कॉल आया, एंड देन दे वर लाइक कि क्या है कि एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, सिंस यू आर जस्ट इतने साल का तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस है, तुम्हारी एज इतनी है और तुम वहाँ पे पढ़ाई भी करो, तो मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया। तो मैंने पूरा अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया, मैंने कहा देखो मैं कहीं जॉब करने नहीं गया, इट्स माय फैमिली बिजनेस, इट वेरी वेल रिटन इन द सीवी एज वेल,
वी हैव नॉट लाइड ऑन द सीवी,
सो इट्स अ फैमिली बिजनेस। एंड देन दे वर इंटरेस्टेड एंड दे आस्क्ड मी फॉर द पर्सनल इंटरव्यू। तो मैं गया और वहाँ पे उन्होंने मेरे से बहुत सारे सवाल किए। अब मैं एक टिप्स जो देना चाहूँगा उन लोगों को जो
So guys, let's take a small pause and let me tell you that I counsel hundreds of students looking to study abroad every month. And I am here to help you guys, not just with understanding your profile, which country or university is the best one for you, but help you through the admission process. And me and my team will get you your visa on time. And if you want a one-on-one counseling session with me, please go into the description. There is a link to my Calendly and you can book a one-on-one slot with me. And let's get back to our video now.
सीधा इंटरव्यू में जाते हैं बिना कुछ सोचे समझे। देखो मैंने क्या किया, उस इंटरव्यू में जाने से पहले मैंने उस जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन को कॉपी किया, मैंने अपना एक्सपीरियंस कॉपी किया और ChatGPT से पूछा कि मेरा एक इंटरव्यू है ऐसा और ये पोजीशन है, ये डिस्क्रिप्शन है, मेरे से क्या क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं वो लोग। उसने मुझे 10 क्वेश्चन दिए। फिर मेरी सिस्टर यहाँ पे 2 साल से है, मैंने जैसे पिछले वीडियो में बताया, तो उसने मुझे बोला कि दिस इज नॉट इनफ, आस्क ChatGPT फॉर अ सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस। मैंने ChatGPT को एक और प्रॉम्प्ट दिया कि मुझे सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस बताओ, ऐसा उस स्टोर के लिए, उस स्टोर की सिचुएशन के हिसाब से क्या क्या सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है।
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, हाउ डू यू प्रिपेयर फॉर योर इंटरव्यू? दिस इज सच अ ब्रिलियंट टिप।
तो वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, जैसे लोग अब उस वीडियो में हमने भी देखा ऐसे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, बट इट्स नो पॉइंट ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन द कमेंट्स ना। तो वहाँ दिमाग आपको लगाना है। आप ये कह रहे हो कि 3 साल से मैं 3 महीने से हूँ, जॉब नहीं मिल रहा, आप भेड़ की तरह चल रहे हो ना। आपको देखो 1 महीने में पता लग जाता है कहाँ गलत आ रहा है, तो उसमें आपको काम करना है कि कहाँ गलत हो रहा है और क्या बेटर हो सकता है। कुछ नहीं तो मैं सिंपल बता रहा हूँ, ChatGPT को अपनी प्रॉब्लम बता दो। सच में इट्स द बेस्ट काउंसलर, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है वो, नॉट जस्ट कुछ भी कोई भी रीजन हो, नहीं मतलब पैसे नहीं,
धोखा,
तुम AI नहीं हो, तुम्हारे अंदर इमोशंस है, उसमें क्या है वो फैक्ट्स बताता है। क्योंकि ये मेरी बुराई नहीं करेंगे ना, वो बोलेगा कि तेरे में ये कमी है, देखो तुम ये कर सकते हो। फिर मुझे उसने
कल से इसकी बुराई शुरू है।
तो उसमें फिर उसने मुझे 10 और क्वेश्चंस दिए, फिर मैंने उसे अच्छे से प्रिपेयर किया, मैंने इंटरव्यू देने गया। टू बी ऑनेस्ट मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो इंटरव्यूअर थी, आई होप वहाँ तक ना जाए ये वीडियो, तो
तभी हिंदी में बोल रहा है।
तो इंटरव्यूअर ने भी मेरे ख्याल से ChatGPT से पूछा व्हाट शुड आई आस्क विद दिस सीवी, एंड लकीली वो दोनों मेरे को जो क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे, मैं बहुत शॉक्ड हो रहा हूँ कि मेरे को वही क्वेश्चंस आ रहे जो मैंने प्रिपेयर किए। तो इन अ वे आई वाज आंसरिंग एवरी क्वेश्चन एंड दैट इंटरव्यू वेंट फॉर 1.5 आवर्स, इवन फॉर द पार्ट टाइमर्स फॉर 20 आवर्स बेसिक सैलरी, बट यहाँ का प्रोसीजर ऐसा है। तो 1.5 आवर मैंने सारे क्वेश्चंस के जवाब दिए, मैंने सारा एक्सप्लेन किया दैट आई एम नॉट लाइंग दैट आई वर्क फॉर अ कंपनी और समथिंग, इट्स माय फादर्स बिजनेस एंड दिस इज द स्केल, दिस इज द टर्नओवर एंड दैट्स हाउ आई हैंडल माय बिजनेस एंड दिस इज हाउ आई एक्सपेंडेड माय बिजनेस। तो ये सारी चीज़ें जब मैंने उनको बताया समझाया तो उनको समझ में आया, और वहाँ पे मुझे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला 20 आवर्स का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। They can't give me 19 hours, they have to give me 20 hours.
Yes.
So during the full time they give me more than 40 hours as well. तो बेसिक है, जो भी बेसिक सैलरी है वो उस हिसाब से मिलता है। इतना नहीं है कि 15-16 के हिसाब से मिल रहा है, बट स्टिल मेरे एक्सपेंसेस मीट हो रहे हैं, मेरा ग्रॉसरी, मेरा सब कुछ सॉर्ट है। लास्ट वीडियो में मैं अपनी सिस्टर के साथ था, अब मैं अकेला रहता हूँ, मैंने कुकिंग सीख ली है, मैंने सब कुछ इंडिपेंडेंट हो गया। अब ठीक लग रहा है कि चल ठीक है, अब सही है। जहाँ तक फुल टाइम की बात है, अभी तक ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हो रखा है कि मैंने अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं किया, क्योंकि हमारे एग्जाम्स थे और बताया 5 दिन हमारी क्लासेस होती थी, तो उसके लिए मैंने ज़्यादा एनर्जी
अगेन वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, मैं इनसे बात कर रहा था, एंड लाइक दीस गाइज आर सो serious about their studies. They've all completed all their courses.
We all were 90s
90%
in our studies.
plus. They now just remaining is dissertation is only pending to be submitted. They're really focused on what they are learning. I think that also sets them apart from what a lot of students I see are doing. So they are taking their education also very seriously.
Seriously, we just जब जैसा मेरा जॉब था तो उन्होंने मेरे से अवेलेबिलिटी पूछा, मैंने बोला सैटरडे संडे मैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं करना, सैटरडे संडे करना है, बाकी 5 दिन कॉलेज जा रहे हैं, जो भी असाइनमेंट्स हैं सेल्फ स्टडी है, क्योंकि तुम ये मत भूलो तुम किस लिए आए हो यार। 4 पैसे ज़्यादा कमाने के चक्कर में तुम अपनी पढ़ाई नहीं बर्बाद कर सकते, क्योंकि तुम्हारा ज़्यादा पैसा उस पर लगा है।
बिल्कुल, एंड लॉन्ग टर्म वहीं से आएगा। तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट कि तुम क्लासेस मिस करके या किसी को, देयर आर वे टू गेट द अटेंडेंस, राइट, अपना कार्ड दे दिया या QR कोड से कर लिया, बट देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ दैट।
ये सब इसको पता है कि किसने किया है।
मैंने करते हुए देखा है।
मेरा दोस्त करता है और दोस्त सारे इधर ही हैं।
तभी मैंने ये सारी बातें हिंदी में बोली है सो दैट
So Matthew, tell us how did you look for a part-time job, and if you did, what was your experience?
Ashish covered pretty much everything now, because the thing is it's the same, like we both were working together in that event company, and then after that
we
three actually, he was also there. So in December, Jan, it totally dried up, and then see the thing is now right now I'm working in my own accommodation as this thing, summer casuals, where we have to clean houses, we have to pick up garbage, that's everything like everyone does. It's a casual job,
right?
But the thing here is what he covered everything, but the only thing I have to say is you have to do hard work, like in terms of searching a part-time job, what kind of job you are ready to do, all that thing you have to keep that in mind, and you have to just work hard. That's the only
बस
thing.
ये भूल जाओ कि तुमने वहाँ पे क्या किया है, तुम मैनेजर थे, असिस्टेंट मैनेजर थे, वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। मेरा स्टोर मैनेजर वहाँ पे सुबह आके सारा स्वीप करता है, मेरा स्टोर मैनेजर। सो वो सब चीज़ें देख के मेरे को बड़ा शॉकिंग लगा।
So यहाँ पर there is dignity of labor. As it doesn't matter what you are doing, what matters is that you are doing and you are doing well.
That's the thing.
Exactly.
And you feel
To be honest, it's all because general public काफी respect करता है हर चीज को. Back in India, if you are a waiter, you are a waiter.
Exactly.
I think
यहाँ वैसा नहीं.
that's a big learning, I think, for everyone. How about you? Tell us, did you try to look for a part-time job, and if yes, then?
Yeah, for the starting like 3 or 4 months, I started looking for part-time jobs in like accounting and finance. But the problem I faced was like whenever I used to get an interview or something like that, they were like, how many hours can you dedicate per week?
Right.
So I was like, I can only give you 20 hours. They would always ask that if there's a deadline, could you give us more hours?
He's
So
like, I want to, but I can't.
I can't give you any
Legally,
more
I
hours.
can't do that.
that. So they were like, in finance and accounting, deadline is most important thing.
Right.
So they were like, we are sorry about that, but if you are willing to work full time, then you can come back to us and we'll sort you out for a job.
I think that is one thing which everybody had said, which got us like all crazy. Like, what are these guys saying?
Yeah, that's the thing in accounting finance. It's a common thing. That's they have to meet a deadline.
Right.
So they can't rely on a person who can't meet that deadline.
Right. Then what happened after?
My uncle and aunt are living here for like 15-20 years. So I'd ask them for like if they have any reference for part-time job or anything. Then my uncle asked me to like meet a guy. So he was his friend, and he owns a cafe here.
Okay.
So I went there.
In London?
Yeah, in London, in Canning Town.
Okay.
So I went there and he asked me to do like the front desk of that cafe. Started doing that, and I was for the first 1 or 2 months I was like very depressing job. But it was like you have to clean everything, you have to sweep the floor, mop the floor and everything. First 2 months I was like, what am I doing here? Why am I here? Then eventually I was like, I'll have to only struggle for a year. After that I'll settle it down slowly. With that thinking, I just moved forward with that.
So you're still working at that cafe?
Yeah, I'm still working with that.
So you've had that stable pay role. The good thing is that, you used your references, not being shy to ask for help from everyone, to your friends, to your faculty, to your any family, anyone you might know. That's a great way of making it work. So we knew when we met last time that working part-time in accounting and finance would be tough.
Yeah.
Really
so amongst 4 of you, 3 of you are working part-time but not in finance. But there you still have an opportunity, which is a bit close to what you, to your domain.
Yeah.
But maybe still it is not at the level of skill
that you... It's not the same thing. It's not the same thing again. But it's a good company. There are like a very few employees at the back of the house. And then you have to do every single thing. Some of the accounts do take part into it. Some of the finance does take part into it. But also it's more or less customer relationship. But to be honest, I love it.
Yeah.
It's talking to people. Right. I can do it.
You can.
I can do it.
I know you can do that.
Yeah.
Sometimes too much.
Okay.
That is so true.
I have a knack of reading people.
सेकंड इंटरव्यू में ही हो गया.
हो गया. ठीक है, बस तीसरा नहीं होगा इसमें.
Shit.
No, but we'll definitely do a third because I guess right now you guys are
Still
going to start your full-time job search. So tell me about that. What is
To be honest, I am optimistic about it because
still
going to start your full-time job search? So tell me about that. What is
to be honest, I am optimistic about it because I have a few relatives who have been working here for like 6-7 years. One of them works in a bank, one of them is PwC, and he has done ACC and everything. So I'm a little optimistic, but after the labor law changes, I have my doubts, I would say.
what specifically in the labor law changes you are a bit skeptical about?
It's just the immigration policies that they have changed. So few of the things are that you don't get enough time now.
Right.
We are still not sure that if that applies to us as well.
If your postgraduate work permit would be less than 2 years to 1.5 years, or will it still be 2 years?
Yeah. So for every student that is coming here after watching our interview, I'll say please do your research. Please do your research about your course because also heard that there are many jobs that are not eligible for PSW and green card anymore.
Yeah, but
you don't
like the carer thing.
Yeah, but still. So
There's like more around care workers that you can't be recruiting from
half the
outside
Indians
of.
and Pakistanis are doing that
Right.
for the green card.
And I know a lot of students who are working in care homes. Yes.
So I'll say if you're coming just to start living here, that's your main goal, not the course and everything. Think about it.
So
Because
you
now-
think you
now
can get
now
a
it has
job in
changed.
accounting because you have references?
I think I may get a job in accounting because I have references. I'm not saying that it's a 80%, 70%. I'm just saying it's better than those who don't have any references. Because to be honest, what I found is 3 out of my 4 jobs is because of references.
Right.
So,
But what about those people who told you we can't take you part-time but we need full-time people who can give me full hours?
I am very optimistic. But again, then the sponsorship comes in because they are looking for full-time. Yeah, because see, I have few friends who have been living here for 3-4 years now. They have been, not 3-4 years, 2-3 years, they have been struggling with after the PSW because they're getting job, they're getting great salaries and everything. They have good payments coming in on time, great job and everything.
But no sponsorship.
Yeah.
So you are saying that sponsorship getting a
was
job
better, but yeah.
in accounting which will give you sponsorship is going to be tough. But getting a job in accounting would be higher probability.
I'd say yes.
So because
I mean, because it's a very, day-to-day kind of job. Everyone needs an accountant.
right.
Like every small company, big company needs an accountant. Someone has to deal with money.
Right.
Not everyone who has a business can deal with his own
right.
money. Someone
Now,
with
of course, there's so many regulations that you don't.
Yeah.
You absolutely need somebody.
Yeah, there's regulations. There's different ways you can save your money. There's
Right.
different ways you can invest and grow your money.
Right.
Not every common man who has a business knows
Absolutely.
about it. So sometimes the accounting and financing knowledge does come into play, and that's why I am very optimistic about it because there are obviously few fields where there's a lot of competition. People may not be that optimistic because AI is taking their job.
Right.
I can at least say that AI is taking few of our jobs, but it's not like all over the place.
Right.
I still have
Basically taking jobs of bookkeepers, not accountants.
Don't the accountants.
Yeah.
How about you, Ashi? What do you believe? How is going to be your full-time job search?
My reason for being optimistic is my experience that I have 11 years of experience in the accounting field. So I have done my MBA in India. So also this is my second master's.
Second master's.
In finance and accounting. So I'm pretty much optimistic, to be honest, कि कुछ ना कुछ तो हो जाएगा. But again, the sponsorship वाला thing, that is something which I'm really worried about. Not really worried, to be honest, क्योंकि यहाँ के experience के बाद मेरे पास और भी options हैं. मतलब यहाँ जाने के बाद मैं दुबई ट्राई कर सकता हूँ या फिर कोई भी मिडिल ईस्ट कंट्रीज ट्राई कर सकता हूँ. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सपने खत्म हो जाते हैं, है ना?
Right.
लंदन नहीं कोई और सही.
Right.
नहीं तो वापस घर जाओ.
Right.
है ना? आप एक साल जो आपका लोन है, जैसे काफ़ी बच्चे लोन से आते हैं, तो हो सकता है कि आप लोग एक साथ लोन ना पे करो जैसे आपने सोचा था. बट
Right.
इतने भी डिमोटिवेट मत हो जाओ कि आप एकदम ही हार मान जाओ, है ना? आप घर जाके भी शुरू कर सकते
No,
हो.
what is important if you are working in your domain for those 2 years, you will have opportunities back in
Exactly.
India.
और वो उस चीज़ में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. मेरे को ऐसा फील होता है. अब मैंने अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया क्योंकि देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट ऑफ ट्राइंग राइट नाउ. रिसेंटली मैंने अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी को कॉन्टैक्ट किया कि ऐसे मेरे साथ और भी बच्चे थे जिनको अभी से ही स्पॉन्सरशिप मिलने शुरू हुए थे. दो एग्जाम्पल्स है. एक मेरी फ्रेंड है वनीता और एक फ्रेंड है मेरी साक्षी.
These are both students
मेरे ही
in your
क्लास
class.
मेरे क्लास के. So she was getting a sponsorship job in the field of accounting in Birmingham. So they want her to come there and settle. So the problem with her was she was only a student and she can't do the 40 hours. So they want a date कि कब कर सकते हो. She approached university and even I have also gone there because मुझे और clarity चाहिए था. उन्होंने बोला कि आप जब तक स्टूडेंट हो आप 20 आवर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट या फिर आप फिक्स टर्म कॉन्ट्रैक्ट या फिर टेम्परेरी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, इन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स में आप अपना 40 आवर्स कर सकते हो, अनलिमिटेड आवर्स कर सकते हो. बट ड्यूरिंग योर स्टडी वीजा यू कांट गो फॉर अ फुल टाइम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट.
राइट.
समझ रहे हो? तो उस जनवरी तक का जो हमारा वीजा है उसमें मैं नहीं कर सकता.
राइट.
स्पॉन्सरशिप
कर सकता है अगर तू इससे पहले रिजल्ट के बाद PSW अप्लाई कर दिया फिर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट.
ऑब्वियसली PSW अगर मैं
अप्लाई कर दिया तब कर सकते हो.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, स्टूडेंट वीजा के होते हुए आई कांट डू दैट. तो उस वजह से उसी एक रीजन की वजह से आई एम नॉट एक्सप्लोरिंग दैट क्योंकि मैं अभी 20 आवर्स ही हूँ. सितंबर के बाद
But you are saying 2 of your classmates got sponsorship jobs offers also.
कॉल आया. हाँ,
Right.
उनको कॉल आया. इवन अब जो मेरी फ्रेंड है उसको शायद रेफरेंस के थ्रू आया, बट जैसे भी आया
Right.
उसको मिला.
I think the important part is that we need to be working on those references as well.
Yeah, you need to be
Right.
working
So
on
because
connections. It's
you have
important.
some references that
Yeah.
are going to help you out. But Matthew, tell me, what do you believe? You also have good experience. What is your thought?
I'm optimistic, like because of my experience only. But the thing here is, for me, what I'm doing is doing is I'm gonna target some companies and I'm gonna apply there and obviously trust God and go with the flow. That's the thing. But that's the only way. You can't imagine yourself already working in a company. And
Right.
have that dream that I'm gonna work. You have to work hard in
Are you
whatever
going
way.
to be creating some backup plans in Dubai?
Obviously, I'm not gonna apply only in London. I'm gonna apply in Dubai as well.
Right.
Everywhere, even in Bombay, as you said.
Right.
I will apply everywhere, and wherever I get the best opportunity, I'll go for it. So it doesn't matter for me like to do in London only. That I'm here for masters.
So
and
do
I have
you
to
feel
complete.
under stress right now? Do you feel?
If I say no, it's a lie. I mean, yeah, stress is there.
It's always there,
It's how
like
you
hanging on
defend
your
it.
head.
course,
right?
of course, there-
Like a
It
sword on a
depends how you
watermelon.
take it, how you go on with it.
Especially with the
And that's
students
how
who
it
are in
Yeah.
who are in debt.
Right.
You know,
Yeah.
30 लाख का 35 लाख का
लोन
लोन
लेके
लेके आए तो वो एक स्ट्रेस कभी नहीं जाने वाला है ना. वो एक बैलेंस लेके चलना बहुत जरूरी है बिकॉज एक तो वैसे ही हार्ड टाइम चल रहा है, ऊपर से तुम भी एकदम डिप्रेशन में चले
चले
जाओगे तो
आओगे.
भगवान तुम्हें नहीं आएगा
नहीं
बचाने
आएगा,
भाई,
right.
तुम्हें ही उठना पड़ेगा.
तो डिप्रेस होकर के तो काम चलेगा
चलेगा
नहीं.
नहीं.
Havan, how about you? What do you think? You have family. They run a cafe here. So what is your opinion on, how do you see your full-time job, sir?
I believe that after we complete our dissertation and we get our results, before that probably all 4 of us would have accounting job offers waiting for us. Because
Voice played well.
Because most of the companies are they hire in September to November period.
Right.
They are they start hiring from July and they'll have the process going on till September till then. And they are little flexible. They give you 1 or 2 months if you are still with your student visa and you still have to wait for your results.
Right.
Probably we'll have all of 4 will have.
What's
job
your
offers.
strategy? How are you going to approach
I believe
it?
that I'll probably search for jobs in London as well as outside of London, in countryside, in Milton Keynes or in Edinburgh as well. Edinburgh is a very good opportunity to grab for banking sector. Milton Keynes has a lot of banks. Obviously, London has a lot of banks, but working in London for a bank has a setback that you'll have to maintain a lifestyle. The London banker's lifestyle is if you earn 45,000 a year, it's enough, but you won't save much. Every weekend they have get-togethers and they have trips and everything.
So you have to participate, which
Obviously
also
too.
you have to spend money
And
in.
also then comes the part that you have to build connections now.
Right.
Everyone's gonna be there.
Networking comes at a
Yeah,
cost.
you have to you have to network
Right.
as well. So you have to go. Even if you don't network, you are still spending money.
Right.
So that always
So guys,
its
I think
drawbacks.
if I have to summarize, I think we had, although not very young, couple of you guys, but we had fresh,
almost your age.
fresh off the boat people who were, at the Greenwich docks, very bright, very positive, beaming. I think after 9 months, it's still I
Still
see that
positive,
you have
still
very
beaming,
positive, and I think you guys have nailed one part, which was the part-time role, which you were struggling with actually at that time, and you
Actually,
were not
yeah,
figuring
a
out
lot.
what to
You
do.
have to work for it.
But you figured out and
Yeah.
you have made it happen. And I think you still have that optimism, and all 4 of you are okay, nahi yaar, we'll get the full-time job, and you have a plan, and you have a backup plan, and you have a backup plan.
Exactly.
And I think that's a really great part. It will be so much fun to do part 3 of this,
Oh, yes.
maybe
Part 3 where all of us
in
have a
6
job
months.
coming in a car.
And then that time when we are partying, I'm not going to foot the bill, and you guys
It
will
will
have
be
to
us,
pay.
it will be us, it will be us.
Of course.
So we are now off to celebrating our highest ever viewed video, and thanks to all these buggers for being a part of it. And
It was lovely to be a part of this.
and I would be so happy to do part 3. And we're gonna come back, guys, and say what happened with the chirpy gang from University of Greenwich who are studying accounting and finance. So thank you, guys. Thank you for taking
you
our
so much.
time
Thank you so
and
much.
Cheers, man. It was
coming back
nice.
again. And
Nice.
really good to have you all. And being in touch and coming back. And we have a fourth member to the gang too. And
Next time they will like 5, 6.
5, 6, yes.
He's the manager of a gang.
Yeah,
He's
he's
the one who organizes.
financer and manager.
Yeah. So thank you everyone. Thanks. It was a great opportunity to be connecting back with them, and we hope and we wish and we want to make sure that these guys are successful. So before we go, one last thing. Is there any way that I can be of help to you guys in the next 6 months?
Ooh. Well, by any chance, if you come across a sponsorship job,
Okay.
you know my name.
Yeah.
Ashish.
Yes.
I'm just gonna say that accounts and finance would be better,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
if you're getting anything else, I'm still taking it.
Because we all are searching for
Yeah.
that only. You know? That's the only
So
thing.
also I'm going to make a promise that I'm going to be working for these guys, all 4 of them. I'm going to be
Thank you so much.
your
Thank you very
personal job hunter, and I'm
that's
going to
so
make
Thank you
sure.
so much. Thank you so much.
I'm meeting a lot of people who are doing full-time jobs and recording similarly their experiences, like I did with you guys when you were coming, starting out your course. And today I also met Kamaldeep. He's working with one of the healthcare NGOs. He is a crazy guy, and we shot a great session with him. He has a full-time job, sponsored job. He actually fought with his company, applied for his company to get a sponsorship license.
Oh wow.
And then he was the first guy who the company sponsored, and he was supporting the company in the entire sponsorship process.
Superb.
So it is a crazy story. I'm going to be learning from like 50 of such guys, and I'm going to be using all that knowledge to help you and many more students. So stay in touch with us, subscribe to our channel, and we are going to be coming to you with a lot of insights about studying in UK and building your career. So if any of you want to learn and know more about full-time jobs and people who have actually crossed that bridge, which was people were asking that, you are only interviewing students. I'm this time interviewing people who have full-time jobs.
wow.
So if you
That
want to
will be
learn
very-
about that,
very nice.
subscribe to our channel and stay in touch so that you can learn about that
One
too.
more thing. इससे पहले कि कमेंट्स में कुछ लोग आके बोले, it's better to पूछें कि क्या करना है, so that we can explain and we can help कि क्या कैसे कर सकते हैं.
I'll tell you, मेरे बहुत सारे cousins आ रहे हैं.
Right.
Almost 3 cousins and 2 friends. They are planning. मैंने literally first step से लेके वो लोग के ticket तक help किया है. Because I know I have made a few mistakes. जिसकी वजह से I've had like
जो
bad
हमारे bad
times.
experiences है, वो
Yeah.
straight.
I'm
Absolutely,
making
guys,
sure
we
कि
need to
किसी
learn
और
from
को
each other,
क्योंकि
and
हम
we
सब
need,
एक जगह से ही आ रहे हैं और
It's important.
है ना
we
यहाँ पे
all
आके
come from middle class families.
Exactly.
We need to ensure that we are making the right use of our family's money
exactly.
and the right use of our time. I think that is very important. But in the next 6 months, it's not only their job, but my job to make sure that we are having 4 happy faces
That's so sweet.
in
So
part
sweet.
3. So thank you guys.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel, and I will see you all in the next video.